This one is a professional hair dryer and also a new design. Its power can reach 2200 watts, DC motor with big power, economic and professional combination. We have 2 speeds and 3 heating settings. And also a cool short button. And it not only suits for family daily life, but also you can work well in the salon. If you want to blow out a beautiful hairstyle as a salon at home, I think you can choose this hair dryer for amazing results. One more feature is with removable filter for easy filter cleaning and longer motor life.